If you want to create an auto reply on Instagram, here's how to set it up. First, open Instagram and go to your profile page. Make sure you see the Professional Dashboard above the Edit Profile button. This means your account is set as a creator or business account, which is required for auto replies. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Scroll down to the section called How Others Can Interact with You and select Messages and Story Replies. Make sure message access is enabled. After that, open the Play Store or App Store and download Meta Business Suite. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Instagram account. After logging in, tap on More, then go to Settings. Now select Automations and tap on Instant Reply. Turn on the option for Instagram. Next, tap the pencil icon to customize your automatic message. Remove the default text and type the auto reply you want people to receive when they message you. Once you're done, tap Save. From now on, anyone who sends a message to your Instagram business or creator account will automatically receive your instant reply. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.